Hi guys, I'm gonna show you some tricks. I'm gonna call this Violin Hack number 1. Okay, I really don't like it when I have to put down the violin and then take some notes onto the music, and then what happens? This thing always falls apart, right? Then I have to do it again. It's cumbersome. So what I did was put a little rubber band there, and then I attached that rubber band to the here, there, and then problem solved. Number 1. Another one I'm gonna give you how to tighten the bow hair with only one hand. So let's loosen it first so it's dangling. So what you do is you kind of wrap your pinky and then you go this motion, but as you're doing motion you grab the pin and then you just go like this, like that. Okay, my left hand is here. I'm not cheating, so let me do that truly with one hand. This might freak out your stand partner. So that's pretty much tightened. Let's do one more time. As you get tightened, of course it's gonna be harder. So you go like this. Okay. All right. So that's the 2 tricks that you guys can use. I hope they're helpful. All right. See you guys next time. Bye.